Explorer. I love my mommy. Hi, I am Dora. I am going to spend the day with my mommy. First, we feed the babies. Then we make a yummy breakfast. My mommy takes me with her to work. Look what I found. Then Mommy and I go to the park. We play on the swings. Higher and higher we go. I made a present for Mommy. It is a picture of us. Mommy and I had a great day. I love my mommy, and Mommy loves me. Happy Mother's Day! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all next time. Stay safe.